babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring LuvMe hair. Shout out to LuvMe hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a bob. This is a brown ombre color bob. This is the loose wave texture. This is called their Minimalist HD lace glueless short wig. This is 100% human hair. So let's get into the specs of this wig. This wig does come with straps, adjustable straps, and an elastic band to help you with that glueless install. Once the wig is secured with the bands, being that this lace is HD quality, you don't need to adhere this wig down. I did bleach the knots and I let it air dry, so this is what she looks like. As you can see, this wig is super full. Right now, we're just gonna blow her out and we're gonna press out the top to get her back flat, because it was flat. This wig was styled and ready to go when I got it, but looking at the knots, I wanted to lift the knots just a little bit more. So right now, we're just going to prep her for styling. So now we are going to go in with the curling iron. I put a little bit of BioSilk on the hair prior to curling this hair, and I'm just going to take medium sections and I'm just going to curl the hair back. So we're going to do the one side first, then the other side after. This is like my favorite style to, like, when it comes to curling bobs. No matter what length bob you have, this is going to look bomb.
No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. She said me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mega mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on beachside in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah. Anywhere me go, know the gang go. Been long since I reached back home. Remember days you was on a back road. Still a lot of places that we can go. Yes, I know. Might just pick up my back and go. I need to roll. Can't do what they say anyways. Think twice before you play me. Say yeah, when you been late. Lately you been acting crazy. Shady, I can tell who's shady. Hate me, but still rate me. Maybe it must be, maybe, or maybe I must be crazy. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on beachside in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. I wanna see the view. Sweet island man, life so sweet. My G night and let's go. Sweet island man, life so sweet.
I really like the way this came out. At first, when I was curling it, I was like, this looks so frumpy. It was giving old lady a little bit, just a little bit. But once I combed it out, it was really pretty. These colors, the brown with the lighter ombre, I would say this is like a number 4 with a little bit of 34. I really wanted that natural look, especially since we weren't going to use spray. You want that to look as natural as possible. So I would suggest putting a little bit of powder, depending on your complexion, under the lace, just so you have that transparency where it gives off scalp. So you get more of that natural look. So I will show you what this hair looks like from every angle. I really like the way these curls came out. Like, this is gorgeous. And not only that, the curls hold so well. Being that this is a glueless wig, if you take this off today and you want to put her back on tomorrow, you don't have to style her again. Especially if you use a good holding spray, your curls are going to stay. So I really like this. This would be like something that I pop on when I don't want to wear long hair, but I still want to put a wig on. This is what I would wear. So shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. All the links will be in the description box. If I have a discount code, you know that's going to be in the comment section, or I will put it here on the screen. So definitely use that discount code when you go to checkout, and I'll see you in the next video.